Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you a super cute, fun old man DIY costume. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started, and we're just drawing some wrinkles with an eyebrow pencil. And then once I was done with the eyebrow pencil, I moved on to a face paint crayon, and I just went over those lines with another brown color. And once I was done drawing the wrinkles, I went ahead and covered up my husband's face, and I sprayed his beard with this gray hair color. And to spray his mustache, I went ahead and had him bite down on a towel, and I covered his nose with another. And I didn't get his whole beard, so I added some gray crayon paint color onto his mustache and a little bit through his beard to make it look more salt and peppery. The wrinkles weren't standing out much to me, so I added some of the gray crayon colored paint, and I added it onto the wrinkles, and I just blended it with my finger. So for the eyebrows, I just took a gray colored paint crayon and I just filled them in and made them look a little bushy at the front. And then I went ahead and added more of that gray crayon paint to his mustache and beard. And then I just went ahead and popped the lenses out of some old glasses, and there you have my husband's costume. And now for my son, I went ahead and sprayed his hair with the same gray hair color spray, and we went ahead and added the same wrinkles, so the laugh lines underneath the eyes, above the eyebrows, and also squiggly wrinkles above the forehead. And also 2 lines on the sides of his nose. And then I went over those same lines with the brown crayon paint. And then I blended it out with my finger. And then I went ahead with the gray paint crayon and filled in his eyebrows, making them bushier in the front. And my gray paint crayon was getting a little dull because I used it on my husband's. So I did take an angled brush and I dipped it into the paint crayon, and then I just feathered his eyebrows. You'll see in a minute. And then I did pick up the eyebrows and mustache for an old man from the Halloween store, but the eyebrows looked funny, so all we did use was one of the eyebrows for his mustache, and then we popped the lenses out of one of his pair of glasses, and that was it. This is the final look. We paired it with some suspenders, a white t-shirt, and some khaki pants, and it is the cutest thing ever. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.